fit in here. Ah, hey guys, it's Tiff. What is ringing up, you guys? I got a mother trucking house. Holy cow, I'm so excited. I'm so sorry if I get super squealy, but I can't believe I got myself a house. I bought a house, I'm a homeowner. That is actually insane. So in today's video, we are doing a house tour because I want to show off my little house that like I put so much work and energy like making happen. So let's go ahead and take a tour. Woo! Let's go. So, I need to be careful. Those are like old doors. So this house is like 95 years old. All of these windows are original from the house. And I can't talk right now because I'm too excited about this house. But currently we are in the little den right now. This den is so cool because I can go and sit in here, edit my videos, but then watch Matt cook. So Matt's gonna be over a lot, and if you guys don't know this about Matt, he cooks so freaking well. I have my own private chef hanging out with me 3 days a week. It's really nice. So we are currently in the dining room. I feel so like short but tall because I can actually touch like the lighting fixture. But I'm probably gonna put a little like dining table right here. And then this house comes with really cool built-ins. So these are original built-ins. They've been here for like 100 years. I think they used to have like little shutters, but they took off the shutters and painted it black. And I just love that there's like 2 matching ones. And for me, when I wanted to buy a house, I wanted to buy a house that had a lot of charm. I didn't want a cookie cutter modern house, even though I love those houses. I wanted a house that you can feel and smell the history in. And I feel like when you step into this house, you can just like smell it. It smells old, but like not dirty, just kind of old. So this house is cool because it has like all of these like cool arches. If you like see the ceilings are like rounded. But we're in the kitchen. Okay, so kitchens sell houses, and I definitely bought this house because of the kitchen. This is so random, but I have been following this Instagram account on Instagram called Bertazzoni. They're like this Italian European appliance company. This house happened to have their appliances everywhere, and from what I've heard, they literally last an entire lifetime. There are so many Bertazzoni appliances that are 100 years old. So I have my own Bertazzoni oven and range. And the coolest thing about this kitchen that you don't see in every freaking kitchen that I'm so excited. Oh. Okay, I'm not gonna die. All right, it's like this pot water filler. So like it puts hot water into your pot. So you don't have to carry it from your sink and you just turn it on. I haven't used it yet, but I'm hoping that it's like super hot water because, oh my God. I didn't mean to turn it on at all. It works. We know it works now, perfect. I will clean that up later. So I also have like these cool open shelving. And honestly, it's a very like rustic, like hipster look, but I really dig it. Like I wanna like fill all of these like shelves with cute little decor and lots of succulents. A lot of succulents that are fake because I can't keep real ones alive. But Mia did get me some real ones. I don't know what this one is, but it's actually so cute. That is so cute. Thanks, Mia. You're gonna die though, I'm sorry. Another cool feature about all of this, can't talk. Another cool feature about all of these cabinets is that they're soft close. So if I'm really mad at someone, it won't slam. What? That's like things that like you would never think of, but it's so nice to have. And then all of these like little knobs right here are made from, like what are shells made out of, Matt?
Wood?
Shells?
Oh, shells.
Shells. Yeah, like from the sea.
Oh, I thought you said shelves.
Oh no.
Opalescent?
Yeah, they're opalescent. They're
know.
like something cool. And then we have our little laundry room back here. It's really plain. I don't know if you guys want to see it, but this is kind of what it looks like. I really wanted a walk-in pantry, and unfortunately this house does not have a walk-in pantry. That was one of the few things that I really wanted but I didn't get. So I was thinking of like transforming this into a mini walk-in pantry. I kind of want to be like Khloe Kardashian and put Oreos in a jar and make it look all pretty, but I don't know if it's gonna happen. I'm gonna try to make it work in like the next year or so, but I want to show you guys the living room because the living room is just so pretty. Oh wait, hold on, I have to show you my fridge. You guys want to see what's in my fridge? I threw a house party and no one drank anything. So I just have a bunch of beer. I don't even drink beer. Matt, you want anything?
I'm good.
You're good? Okay, so we have wines, a lot of people brought Ryan's over. That was like really nice of them. I have a lot of soda. We got some LaCroix. I randomly have eggs. Like this is the only real food I have in my fridge right now. And then this is my freezer. I think this is so cool because I've never had like a 2-shelf freezer. So this is, wow, lots of alcohol. Your girl can't drink. She's a one-shot wonder, but we still got a lot of alcohol here. And then this thing is empty. And then this is my pantry for now. And not a walk-in, nothing to it, but they're soft clothes. All right, let's go to the living room. So we're in the living room. Ah! Okay, Squealy Tiff is back. Look how tall I am, you guys. I'm so tall. I can touch the ceiling picture. So this is my living room. Again, this house was built in like 1910. It's 95 years old, and all these things are original to the house, which is actually really amazing. This house has the original fireplace and the original built-ins, but I actually need a chimney guy to look into this because when I bought this house, they told me it might not be safe to use, so I should hire a chimney guy. So I'm gonna do that before the winter time because I really wanna use it during the winter. And there's nothing else to show you guys here except Timmy got me this plant. Matt behind the camera got me this plant. What is this exactly? I was wondering what that was.
I don't know, to be honest. It just looked really pretty.
It looks really cool, but I don't know what it is, but it's so cool. This actually looks like it's gonna stay alive for a really, really long time, and I appreciate that because I can't keep plants alive for anything. So this next plant is for my friend Allison Bach, who is my best friend from UCLA. And then if you walk this way, we have more built-ins. I don't know why, but me and built-ins go hand in hand. So we are entering the first guest room. This is the first room. It's just a room, but I think I'm gonna turn this room into the filming room because this room has the best lighting ever. But this room right here, you can see the age of the house by looking inside the closet because you don't see closets like this at all. It has a lot of like character and charm in this closet. This has become the Costco closet. We got some toilet paper in here, ultra soft. We got some paper towels in here. We got some Bounty. We have a random hanger and Matt's t-shirt. My Matt, not that Matt. And then the next room is the bathroom. The golden throne. Is that what people call it? Your porcelain throne, not golden. Clearly the last person who peed in here is a boy and didn't put the seat down. Boys. Go down. Okay, so we got a toilet. We have the soft close drawers again. Oh, I was really scared that wasn't gonna be soft close for some reason. We have a tub. This is the only tub inside the entire house. This thing is tiny. I can barely fit in here. Ah, there's a spider! Oh my god. I can't sit in there, but it's tiny. We got it. Okay, we got these shelves right here for more towels. Yeah, I'm gonna make you kill the spider, by the way.
I'll kill it. Where is it?
It's right at the corner. Here, the little spider.
Oh, that's not that big.
What? It's still a spider. Okay. All right, we're going into the next room. I can't deal with spiders. All right, this is gonna be the office. So this is the second guest room, but I wanna turn this into a little office. I'm gonna put 2 giant desks right in the middle, and then we just have a giant, actually not really giant, but like a closet. Let's do the dungeon. Let's go to the dungeon. I've actually never been inside the dungeon, and I probably will never be inside the dungeon, but you guys can see it if you guys want to. This is like the utility closet. My idea is that I'm gonna have like a tech guy come in. We got the attic on top, but we got, this thing is so scary. I'm really afraid to fall into it, or if Zoe will fall into it, so it's gonna stay closed. I think it's called a California basement. People that like live outside of California have real basements, but people in California have like this scary dungeon thing. Did you go in here already?
Nope.
Oh, do you wanna go in here?
Nope.
I don't wanna go in here either. Doesn't that look so scary? Like, look at the ladder. We're just gonna keep that door closed. But the next room is my master. Okay, so y'all ready for this? Okay, so this is the biggest room. As you guys can tell by how far Matt is walking away from me, there's a lot of space in this room. Look how big this room is! So I haven't decided if I want to keep the bed on this side of the room, like the headboard on this side, or that side. So let me know down below. Let me know if I should keep the bed on this side or that side. I'm leaning towards this side, but Matt was like, it makes more sense to be on this side. With the bathroom right there, he or I am going to the bathroom in the middle of the night and I need to poop, like you can like sleep and hear me poop at the same time, like I don't want that. But this is the closet. It's not a walk-in. Well, I mean, technically it is a walk-in, but it's not really a walk-in closet. Let's enter. So this is kind of a closet. I mean, technically I can like walk and like do yoga in here if I wanted to, but like not really a walk-in. So
This is a walk-in.
is it a walk-in?
You
Okay,
have to
but like Lauren's walk-in versus like this ain't no walk-in. But this is a really cool room. I love that there's so many shelves. I feel like when you walk into a house, you either love the walk-in closet or hate it. And I originally loved the walk-in closet. That's because I have so many drawers for like so many little things. Are they sock clothes? They're sock clothes! I didn't know that. I did not know that. As you can tell, this is gonna be my closet. No one else is gonna be living here. We got a bathroom. We got a bathroom. We have more of these cool sock clothes thingies. We got a toilet, we got a shower. I've actually never stepped into the shower. How did I not know it was a dual-headed shower? And if you guys see this drain is so cool. It's actually a giant like rectangle that you can just drain all the water in. All right, that is everything inside the house. Let's go outside. I have a backyard. I have a real backyard. The backyard that I'm living in right now doesn't even have grass in it, so I don't consider it a real backyard. This backyard has grass and palm trees. I can pretend I'm in Palm Springs and just like take a photo of my palm tree and be like, guys, I'm on vacation. We have a stair patio, so be careful when you're walking. This thing is cool. Look how cool this is. I also have a dog run. I want to show you guys this creepy hole that's in the garage. Like, Matt, look at this creepy hole. Do you see that circle?
Oh, that. What is that?
It's a peephole to like spy on your neighbors. Yeah, no, literally, that's a spy hole. It's a spy hole. Guess who just had a new discovery? I have a mailbox. I have a freaking mailbox that I like literally just open and mail magically appears like Harry Potter. Matt, that is so cool. How did I not know this? All right, guys, so that is it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this house tour. Holy freaking cow. I know I say that a lot, but like, yo guys, I got a house. What? So I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys for supporting me. I have been doing this for like 8 years now. Also, if you guys made it to the end of this video, comment, your hair is pink. I don't know why, just comment that. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Follow me on Instagram at MissTiffanyMa. I love you guys. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.